This is the external side of the water heater. First thing I'm going to tell you is when you're using it on LP, it will get hot. There is a flame back there which actually heats the water. So just keep that in mind, that you want to stay away from that. Also, if your trailer's been stored for a while, you want to make sure there's no debris that got caught up in there or any kind of little critters built a nest in there, because that can stop the flow of the LP and not make your water heater work. So make sure that you keep it clean and free of debris. They do make screens that go over the top of this, which helps prevent that from happening, and it's easier for you to see if there's a nest built up without having to get access to the back of the water heater. Now we're going to talk about operating your water heater. Very simple process, works on electric and or propane. Very easy to do. Turn your propane on, just hit the switch. Red light illuminates. Red light illuminates, letting you know that the propane hasn't burned through the system and it's not in operating mode. So you just have to wait sometimes 30, 40 seconds for the igniter to work. And once it does fire up, that red light will go off. So there you go, red light is off. That means you are burning on your propane now, which you'll have hot water in about 8 to 10 minutes. Turn it off, just turn it off. If for some reason you had your trailer in storage and it's your first camping trip out and you haven't lit the stove yet and you have some air in the lines, your propane might take a few attempts to go ahead and ignite. So just keep an eye on that red light. It will give it 3 attempts to light your propane. If it doesn't light after the 3rd attempt, you're gonna have to turn the switch off and redo it again, and it will keep cycling 3 times until it lights. So just keep an eye on that. Red light means it's not working and either the propane's not on or you have a problem in the system or it's just air. When you're on electric, same thing. Just go ahead and turn electric on. Very simple process. If there's more than one person taking a shower and you want to recoup your water temperature a little bit quicker, you can run them on both electric and propane. Doesn't hurt the system at all, but just remember the most important thing before you turn on your water heater, whether it be electric and or propane, please make sure you have water in the water heater.